Hi guys, you are watching Go IT Center, and this video is going to be very important because in this video we are going to discuss about how we can extend the volume of C drive. Let's say if your C drive is getting full, so it needs to be extended because no software will be installed without space. So in this video we will learn that how we can extend the C drive. So in my case, maybe in your case it will be reflected as red because I'm giving you a demo, so it is right now it is normal. So total space is 116 and occupied space is 51.8. So in order to extend C drive, we have to go onto the computer management, then we have to click on that. Once you click on that, we have to click onto the disk management, and you can see that we have E drive, F drive. We have F drive and we have 82.71 GB of F drive. And if we look at here, F drive is completely free. Maybe in your case, your F drive or D drive or E drive may have some data, so no need to worry about that. No data will be lost. It is absolutely safe way and tested, so no need to worry about that. So just what we have to do, that we have to right click on it. We have to click onto the sharing volume. Then we have to one thing which is very important that needs to be noted. And here we have all the calculation in terms of the MBs. So in 1 gigabyte we have 1024 MBs. So I'm going to shrink the space of 10 GB. So 10240. Then we have to click onto the shrink, and you can see that now it is 72 GB and 10 GB partition is allocated. It is a raw partition, so we have to add this partition into the C drive. But here's a twist: we cannot add this partition directly into the C drive because in order to do so, we have to bring this partition. We have to move this partition from here to just beside C drive or right side of the C drive. Without that we cannot edit it. So unfortunately we don't have the functionality in Windows, built-in functionality in Windows through which we cannot move the partition. So in order to do so, we have to use the third-party software. So AOMEI is one of the software that I am going to use in front of you. It is absolutely free, and in free package they are offering a lot of functionalities, unlike to other softwares. And it is very good software. Mostly I use in my office, and I refer this software to my clients as well. So I have to click on that. Then I have to click onto the partition manager, which is absolutely free. You can see that. So we have to click on that, and then we have to just click onto the download. Once you click onto the download, you can see that it is going to be downloaded, and it is saying that unverified file, so no need to worry about that. It is absolutely safe. You have to just click onto the download unverified file, and you can see that file is being downloaded. So once the file is being downloaded, we will install it instantly. So we are going to install it. We just double click on it. The setup is simple. It's a baby step work. Just you have to click on next and okay. So okay, then you have to skip this step, then accept the agreement, install right now. So it will be installed within 5 to 10 seconds, not more than that. It is very light software. So user experience, asking for the user experience. I'm going to uncheck it and just enjoy now. So you can see that the environment has been opened. We have to close that, and now I'm going on to the C drive. In C drive we have total space of C drive is 116, and 51 GB.04 is used, and this is the total size. So we are going to increase the total size. Just we have to click on that. Now we have to click onto the C drive and just right click on that, and just you have to click onto the advanced, and then you have to click onto the merge partition. So it is very simple. There is no drag and drop. It is just simple. Just you have to merge the partition. So C drive is already selected. You can see that. You can see that unallocated location is of 10 GB, which we have already done through the computer management. Just you have to click on that and just press OK. Once you press OK, then you have to apply finally. So once you apply, it will ask to proceed. Click onto the proceed. It will ask you to, are you sure you want to start? Yes. Wait for a second, and it will be done within 5 to 10 seconds, not more than that. It is very speedy software. You can see that process has been successfully completed, and now let's check out the C drive space. Refresh it. You can see that C drive space has been increased. So through this way forward, you can easily extend your partition. It is very simple and easy to set up. And thank you so much for watching this video. One request in this video, only 3% of people are subscribing my channel, and out of 100%, and that is worrisome. So I request you kindly subscribe my channel as much as possible, forward to your family and friends. See you in the next video. Bye bye.